The next platform that I want to share with you is Jvzoo. Now, this is essentially similar to ClickBank, okay? And essentially, what you're doing here is promoting different types of like entrepreneur type products. These are more like softwares. You can see here Magic Video FX 4.0, Matic or Matic Press Agency, Social Video Suite. So these are more kind of e-commerce, make money online business. There are some health and fitness and self-improvement. There's a lot of software here, but it's the same kind of concept, right? You get a special affiliate link, and you can promote these through several different, advertising methods through like Facebook or YouTube or different blogs, several different ways. And I'm going to share with you several different ways that you can start, promoting these different products without spending any of your own money.